So we have an activity coming up next is you have been given a module, let's say just like a math module, you have been given this shapes module, shapes.py file. You need to use this module into your file. It's program.py. Okay, so you will be writing your code to import something from shapes.py. So what you would be writing are these four things. So I already have printed out the activity sheet which has the fifth thing in it also, but you do not need to worry about it. So what you need to do is to import shapes module and then do this second line task and the third and the fourth one. So the output, according to this, whenever you import something or execute a function, because of the code that is written here, the output would appear on your screen like this. I usually ask like what would be the output, but because we haven't covered these for loop or nested for loops statement, so you do not need to worry about it. Just focus on what is being asked here. Okay. So let's discuss the solution. The first one is pretty straightforward. You would just write import shapes. Okay. The second one is we need to import draw underscore square function. If it would be written in the same file, program.py, I would just write its name, draw underscore square, and pass the value 3 as an argument. But this function is not located in the same file. It is rather located in the module that I have imported. So I would just write the name of the module, shapes, and use the dot notation and call that object, call the function. So shapes dot draw underscore square and pass the value 3 as an argument. So it will go in here, call this function, it will pass the value 3 to this parameter name size. Okay, and it will perform some operation, and based on this operation it will produce this output, the hashes, all hash, because it is printing CR. Okay. Now the third one is write a statement that changes the output to use dollar. So you see here it is printing CR. What is the value of CR? Is hash. Okay, or pound, whatever you call it. So it is asking us to overwrite this value. How can we overwrite this value? We need to just reassign a new value to CR, right? So how we can do that while being in this file? So we can again write shapes.cr and assign a new value. So it will go to this module shapes, access the variable CR, and assign it a new value, which is dollar. And the fourth one is similar to the second one. That is call draw underscore square function again, but this time with the argument value 4. So when you call this function again, and since you have already overwritten the value of CR, next time it will print 4 by 4 of dollar signs. Okay, and how it is printing, again it is not a part of our discussion because it requires understanding of those topics which we haven't covered yet. Make sense? Any question? Great.